Assalamu alaikum, madam. I'm ABDIRIZAK Mohamed Abdi. I hope you can hear my voice. And so today we are going to talk about question 2. Question 2 says a painter has exactly 32 units of yellow of dye and 55 units of green dye. He planned to mix it as many gallons as possible of color A and B. Each gallon of color A required 4 units of yellow dye and 1 unit of green dye. Each gallon of color B required 1 unit of yellow dye and 6 units of green dye. Find the question say find the maximum number of gallon he can mix it. So here we have a table, so I'm going to explain this table. First, we have variable. We have to identify the variable, and variable, as you can see, is x and y, and we have a yellow dye and a green dye and number of gallons. So we have to say that each gallon of color required 4 units of yellow dye and 1 unit of green dye. So that's why it's 4 and 1 of yellow dye. And also each of the gallon of color color P and required 1 unit of yellow dye and 6 units of green dye. So yes, that's why. So we have to find the maximize of number gallon. So the maximize of number gallon is the 32. It means 4x plus y less than or equal 32. So and also similar for green dye is 54. It means x plus 6y, x1 plus 6y, 1 by y2 is less than or equal 54. So that is our so our maximize is also we are in here the gallon of number of gallon is 1 plus x 2. So this is what we are saying, color A and color B. So this is the objectives that now we just explained. So the painters can make 14.6 gallons and of color A and P 8 gallon of each colors. So and sorry, I mean the maximum number of gallon can make is 14 and 14 gallons of color A and B 8 gallons of each color B. So I want to show how I make the graph. Firstly, I use this website. So I enter the data. I already entered the data, and this is my data. I have it is here. So I enter this data. So when I get a fine is my answer is here. So total draw constraint and it's there. So this is my graph, and you see my graph, and x1 and x2 an objective function is linear to the point is, so it's on is 8, 0, 9, 14, and 8. So my answer, so the maximum value of objective function is 14, and of extremity point 6,8, and so that is my answer. This is also the graph, and this is our area, this is our maximizing area. So thank you. I hope it makes sense. Thank you, madam, and have a good day.